our lunchtime on?
Totally.
Word.
Now, we don't got time to mess around, so can we all just stop and talk about the 4-Town concert?
Best night of our lives.
Otherwise known as Pandapocalypse. Remember Panda Girl?
Chill.
That's okay. I accept and embrace all labels. Besides, I like to think of it as less apocalypse and more growing pains.
You the bomb, girl.
No, we are the bomb.
Check it. I can't believe we got to see the greatest boy band of all time.
We were breathing the same air as Aaron T.
And Aaron Z. You know it's such good. You wanted it, you went for it, and baby you got it. You wanted it, you went for it. You know it's us, yeah.
And don't forget Taeyong and Jessie.
Girl, I'd have to be in a coma to forget them.
But nobody, really nobody, can topple the more. It's like everything in my whole life was all leading up to the moment we looked eyes.
I'm making paper like it's origami. I'm gonna hustle every day.
Oh, I'm gonna make it all the boys just watch me. I only care to when the day can't stop me.
You wanted it, you went for it, and maybe I did it on my own. Did it on my Did it on my own. Yeah. You know what's up. You know it's us. Yeah. Okay, 4-Town East, you know what's up? Let's make this lunchtime really rock.
When we say you want it, you say I want it. Here we go.
You want it?
I want it.
You want it?
I want it.
You want it?
I want it.
Louder, come on! You want it?
I want it.
You want it?
I want it.
You want it?
I want it. Yeah. Come on, 4-Townies. Let's see you can pass the gauntlet. Check these moves I'm laying down. Now give me 1, 2, 3, 4. Set it point. Set it point. Yeah. Now you try. Very good. Now swing your tail. Swing your tail.
Nice moves!
Just shake it and shake it. Yeah. Hey. Turn it up. Turn it up.
That looks dope.
You got it! You wanted it, you went for it, baby you got it. You wanted it, you went for it, baby I did it on my Did it on my
OMG, we killed it, you guys. You too. Those dance moves were sick. 4-Town would be so proud. Right?
Yeah.
You knew it.
Oh, bring it in. Guys, you're the best. I always have the greatest time when I'm with you.
You're our girl, May, no matter what.
Panda or no panda?
Or our favorite version. Both.
You know what? It was super scary going to the astral plane and choosing to keep my panda. But I thought of you guys, my ride or die, and I knew everything would be okay.
We love you, May.
Every messy loud and weird part of you. I never met nobody like you.
We're friends and not buddies.
It's true. They don't turn up to me the way you do.
I've never met nobody like you. Nothing up being right, tight, alright.
Right? I get you. We're all a little weird sometimes, but it's all about rocking it together 24/7, 365.
I never met nobody like you. Friends and not my buddies, it's true. But they don't turn my tummy the way you do. Never met nobody like you. You never not on my mind, on mine, on mine. Never not by your side, your side, your side. Never gonna let you cry, don't cry, don't cry. Never not being right, on time, on time. Like you, like you, like you, like you, like you, like you. When you're young, like you, like you, yeah, like you, body, like you. Friends and not my buddies,
It's true.
but they don't turn my tummy the way you do. I never met nobody like you.
One more
They
time.
on my mind, on my, they're not by your side, your side, your side. They